Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the 10 best smartphone gadgets in 2022. Some of these gadgets are really cool, and some are just really useful, but either way, they're all going to make your life a lot easier. So if you're looking for some new gadgets to add to your collection, then this video is for you. So stay tuned and watch the video. Also, don't forget to give a like when you find this video informative, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. The 10th gadget on the list is Ampola Mini S Bluetooth speakers. The Ampola Mini S portable Bluetooth speakers are one of a kind. It can be used on a bicycle thanks to the bike mounts. They have armbands that help them use it when running. They are magnetic, so it can stick anywhere, even on the fridge or a pole outside. When it comes to portable Bluetooth speakers, battery backup is a major issue, but the backup of Ampola is not bad at all. An 8 hours continuous playback is impressive. The best part is that only takes 50 minutes to charge up properly. For the price, you do get a lot out of these bike speakers. They are the best bicycle speakers hands down, and also gives excellent sound quality when riding on bike. Not only do you get to enjoy the outdoors, but you're safe when you go off the beaten path. These magnetic wireless speakers are something that everyone must have, especially if you are a biker or frequent traveler. Gone are the days when you have to sit in your living room to listen to your music. The peak of portable devices is now. The 9th gadget on the list is Air Omni 6-in-1 charging station. Air Omni is a multi-purpose device charging station that can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. It is made of aramid fiber with a carbon fiber look. It is very lightweight and aesthetically pleasing. It has a convertible Type-C and Lightning connector so that it is compatible with the iPhone as well as Type-C supporting devices. Everything is fast charging so you get the maximum juice in the minimum time period. It can only charge Apple Watch but supports both Samsung and Apple earbuds. The QI wireless charging surface can power up to 10 watts and the regular wired output is 18 watt PD charging. This 6-in-1 charging hub is a wonderful gadget for Apple users. So if you are an Apple fan, you should probably get this to make your life much easier. The 8th gadget on the list is Prima 1080p Pocket Projector. Prima 1080p HD Pocket Projector enhances every moment into a priceless experience, created using the DLP technology. Prima is ideal for use across different contexts, providing the same level of excellence even when you have low lighting. Thanks to its superior screen projection and the 1080p resolution, the highly anticipated movie nights will be cherished all the more. With a battery life of up to 3 hours, Prima can stream an entire movie on a single charge. The significance of Prima Pocket Projector is simply unparalleled since it spreads beyond the home, from student to business owner. You can now work on your presentations effortlessly anytime, anywhere. Its slim build and lightweight makes it highly portable, thus you can pocket it wherever you go. The HD Pocket Projector is compatible with all operating systems and devices, which allows you to project content from laptops and phones with no app installation needed. Screen share from your devices via iOS or Android. There is also the flexibility of browsing through applications in your devices either through the touch-sensitive control or Bluetooth remote control in case of Wi-Fi absence. The Prima Projector serves as a mobile hotspot for other devices, ensuring continued productivity. The 7th gadget on the list is Fingertip 800x Zoom Microscope. Cheapest microscope for smartphones. Microscope for smartphones. Fingertip microscope is one of the smallest microscopes in the world that could be used with your smartphone. This is exactly like a smartphone lens, but the main feature is the 800x zoom. Using this portable microscope, you can see almost any minute particles which are not at all possible to capture just by our naked eyes. If you are a science geek, you should definitely get this cool smartphone gadget. The 6th gadget on the list is GazePad Pro Wireless Charging Mousepad. The GazePad Pro Wireless Charging Mousepad helps keep your desk area clean. This 2-in-1 pad acts as a mousepad and wireless charger for your Android or Apple devices, featuring a sleek yet elegant design. The GazePad Pro takes up less space on your work desk. Additionally, the 3-coil wireless charging system enables you to charge your devices without having to deal with messy cables, made of smooth PU leather. The GazePad Pro also offers protection from scratches. Likewise, it provides a stable surface for charging along with better mouse precision, thanks to the non-slip base. The mouse pad stays firmly in place on your desk, Just drop your devices on the mouse pad for them to charge. Moreover, the dual Type-C charging ports allow you to use the Gaze Pad Pro both vertically and horizontally. The fifth gadget on the list is Obhvious Foldable Cell Phone Stand. Obhvious phone stand will allow you to enjoy the best angles with your cell phone, which will guarantee you immense comfort as well as clarity of content. It will be a bliss to get by your day-to-day business without stressing about holding your phone upright using your hands. This thin stand still has room for up to 3 cards. It is the ultimate phone stand, with a wallet that adds convenience to your life. Amazingly, this does not mean that it is bulky. You will still carry around your phone or tablet without even noticing it is there. Obhvious is suitable for any smartphone, be it an Android or iPhone. This foldable stand just weighs 1 ounce, which is a negligible weight that you don't even feel. You do not have to contend with other bulky phone stands that are available in the market. Also, with its 5mm thickness, you won't even feel it on while holding your phone in your hand or keeping it in your pocket. The fourth gadget on the list is Razer Kishi Gaming Controller for Smartphone. Razer Kishi looks so beautiful, is lightweight and works with any smartphone, be it Android or iPhone. Kishi controller has a collapsible design that makes it easy to carry around. It does not involve any batteries and uses juice from your smartphone itself. That's not all. Kishi has a USB-C port that can charge your smartphone while you are playing games. The functionality of the Kishi controller is very similar to other smartphone controllers. It has 11 buttons and 2 directional pads. Believe me, playing games with this controller is so addictive. The third gadget on the list is HevoPod, this smartphone mount track. HevoPod is a smartphone accessory that turns your smartphone into a cameraman by using a motorized head that can be either controlled by a remote or by using their phone app via Bluetooth. HevoPod can do a lot of things including automated time-lapse, panorama, object tracking, and more. It offers a seamless 360-degree horizontal rotation. This means you can turn your smartphone either clockwise or anti-clockwise to an entire rotation. In fact, you can set it to rotate uninterruptedly several times. This feature lets you shoot 360-degree photos, broader time-lapse, and more. With the help of their app, you can set the motor and duration settings and the pod will take care of the rest. Once you set everything, you can leave the pod with your phone until the video or photo capture is finished. There is no need for manual button presses or position changes. This is very helpful when you are shooting a long time-lapse video. The second gadget on the list is AdNet Snap 2 Stylus for smartphones. Snap 2 combines the precision of a fine-point stylus with a Bluetooth camera shutter remote to create the ultimate creative tool for iPhone users. Draw, doodle, and write on your phone with precision. Elevate your storytelling on Snapchat and Instagram. The shutter remote makes it easier than ever to control your iPhone's camera. Instantly take photos with the snap of a button or capture the perfect moment with 3 continuous shots in triple burst mode. Comfortably hold your phone out front to take selfies. Place your phone on a tripod or lean it against a surface to capture group shots at a distance. No need to set a timer. Just snap the button to get the best shot. Not just iPhone. This stylus works with Android phones too. AdNet Snap 2 is definitely one of the must-have cell phone accessories. The first gadget on the list is InCharge 6, the only charging cable you need. This is a 6-in-1 connecting cable that lets you connect between different types of USB devices. To be exact, InCharge 6 supports USB, Type-C, Lightning, and micro USB connections. There are 6 combinations that you can mix and match. InCharge 6 is very lightweight, portable, and easy to use. If you have this in your wallet or backpack, there is no need to carry additional cables at all. InCharge 6 is magnetic, so both ends can be attached together. InCharge 6 features a TPU cable guard which does not let your cable break. Basically, the TPU guard protects the cable from reaching its critical bending level, and thereby preventing the damage of copper wires. Thanks for watching the video to the end. We appreciate your support, and we'd love some more. If you want us to keep doing these types of videos, you can do that by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and turning on the bell notification.